name's Ashley McConnell-Quesnel, and I'm the Human Resource Manager and a partner at Humboldt Electric.
My name is Ryan McConnell. I work for Humboldt Electric based in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. I have been part of Humboldt Electric now for 9 years. I started in 2012.
We are an electrical contractor that operates throughout Saskatchewan. We specialize in commercial contracting and we focus on education facilities, hospitals and medical centers, travel and tourism, water treatment plants, and businesses. We employ electrical apprentices and journey people.
Currently, I am a project manager and a project estimator. My day-to-day tasks typically range from managing manpower to also calculating and managing takeoffs for estimates for us to purchase jobs and hopefully win jobs throughout the process. Span anywhere from 8 hours to 12 hours a day. Some days can be a grind, some days are great, but overall it's a blast.
A career in the construction industry offers a lot of variety and opportunity. For projects, no one project is the same. In the construction industry, we have residential, commercial, industrial, and those three fields alone provide a lot of different career paths. And really the opportunities are endless. I know for Humboldt Electric, a lot of individuals in our team started as electrical apprentices with no experience in the trade. They achieved their Red Seal electrical journey person status and then moved on to supervise large projects throughout Saskatchewan. We're proud to say a lot of them now are part of our management team as project managers, project coordinators, and estimators. So really, the construction industry offers opportunities for all types of individuals.
So I graduated in 2012 from Marion Graham. I wasn't exactly too sure what I wanted to do when I came out of high school. I worked at Sport Check for a couple months, but my uncle and my grandfather were both electricians in the industry in Saskatchewan. I thought it'd be a great idea for me to follow suit and also become an electrician. So I applied for the SIEC and was hired on by Reliax Construction, a carpentry company, and it was a great experience for me to kind of trickle into the industry. I started at SIEC in 2013 and I graduated from SIEC with my journey person back in 2017.
For students these days, there's so many opportunities to get involved in the trades. There's a lot of sponsored internship programs in Saskatoon. So we have the Summer Youth Internship Program. There's career education in high school that provide internships with construction companies. There's the Saskatoon and Regina Trades and Skills programs. Another way individuals can get into the trade is through the pre-employment or the applied electrical certificate with Sask Polytech. So this gives you your first year of electrical training before you really get your foot in the door with an electrical contractor. And then there's the good old way, starting as a green apprentice on one of our job sites.
So when I started in the trades, I was a first year green on the tools, wasn't really too sure. I worked my way through my 4 years of schooling, working on jobs from a elementary high school in Warman all the way to the university. We did a complete reno of the health science wing. Throughout that process, I obviously passed my yearly schooling and became a journey person. After that, I became a supervisor on a couple of job sites. I actually ran a McDonald's in Market Meadows. I did just a small Thorpe Industries construction kind of office space as well, and throughout that process, obviously the internal office staff seen that I could maybe take the next step, and I became a project manager and a project estimator inside our office. Throughout that process, I obviously, became more knowledgeable in the industry. I felt as I could maybe expand on my role and built a lot of good relationships as well throughout my process. And the ownership inside the building decided that I might be a good fit to continue on, and I am now a partner with Humboldt Electric.
So when we're looking to hire someone who has no experience in electrical trade, we focus on soft skills. So we look for people who demonstrate a passion for learning the electrical trade in the construction industry. We look for people who have strong time management and organizational skills, positive attitude, an individual who can work on their own or as part of the team, the Humboldt Electric team, and basic hand tool experience is always an asset.
I played a lot of sports throughout high school. I was part of the Saskatoon Blazers. I played some junior hockey in Melfort as well, and I really liked that team kind of group. And when I got into the construction, that's exactly what it was. You just felt like you're on a team. You bonded with your crew members, and it was just overall kind of an experience I thought could kind of trickle from my my team kind of enjoyment of sports, and it worked out within the construction industry.
For someone who's unsure about if the electrical trade's for you, the biggest piece of advice I can say is try out one of the internship programs. Through your high schools, there's so many opportunities to get involved in career education courses, which offer lots of times 6 to 8 weeks of hands-on experience in the electrical trade while you're still in school. There's also the Summer Youth Internship Program. This is a 8-week program where you get to focus on learning what construction's all about, what electrical's about, and then there's really no commitment. It's a great opportunity to learn if this is right for you in your future.
I think the construction with the electrical contracting is a good fit for high school students looking to get out and find a career, as you know, it's good physical activity. You know, when I came out of high school, I didn't want to sit in a desk all day. I was active. I was used to playing sports, being on teams, and you know, all in all, it's a lot of pride that goes in your day-to-day kind of tasks as well. You know, you start, and you know, over the course of a couple of months, you end up building an operating building that people now use, and you're able to drive around the city over the course of 4, 5, 10, 15 years and see the projects that you built. And you know, it takes a lot of pride in me, at least, to drive by and show a family member that I was part of that building and I built that building, and it's overall a great experience to be part of.